Myself Gautam Kumar. Today I have some job update. Uh, Before that, please like this video, share this video with your and subscribe to channel. And if you need job updates on my Telegram group, this link I will give you in description of the channel. Let's discuss our job update. Our first update is data engineer and data analyst for BigQuery and Snowfall. And location is Bengaluru, Karnataka. And this is your job roles and responsibility. And a skill in like data engineering, big data, big data analytics, MS SQL Server, and telecommunication also. And how to apply this job? You will click here, apply on company website, and manually uh, provide all the details. And our next job is data analyst for also from Bangalore location. And salary is 7 to retail period per year. And this is full time opportunity. And this is your job description and all. And a skill need like Power BI, VBA in Excel, and Python, R, and experience needs 0 to 2 years of experience. And this is full time opportunity. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the details. Our next job is junior data analyst from Chennai, Tamil Nadu location, and salary is 3 LPA to 8 LPA per year. This is also full-time opportunity, and the job description is this. You can read here, and the job responsibility is here, and about company you can read here, and benefit company give you fulfilling connectivity salary, and how to apply the job. You will simply click apply now, and you fill the details. Our next job is data analyst for Mysore, Karnataka location. And salary is 11K to 13K per month. This is for fresher and full-time opportunity. Fresher for temporary and contractual, and after that, this is a full-time converted and full-time opportunity. Okay, and the role is data analytics, account payable or for process, legal data process. This is for fresher. And how to apply this job? You will click here apply now and you fill the details. Our next job is data analyst for Gurgaon location and salary is 1 LPA to 1.2 LPA to 4 LPA per year. This is full-time opportunity for regular and permanent, and also this is for fresher also. And this is morning shift, day shift, and Monday to Friday in working hour. And this is your job description you can read here, and budget up to 4.5 year, and a skill you have need like Power BI, dashboard, and SQL, and MS Office, and BBA. And how to apply the job? You simply click apply now and you fill the details. Our next job is data analyst for Mumbai, Maharashtra location, and salary is 7.5 LPA to 8.5 LPA per year. This is a temporary and working hour is Monday to Friday. This is your job description, and how to apply the job? You simply click apply now and you fill the details. Our next job is Power BI trainer, and salary is 17K to 18K per month. This is internship. This is not opportunity. And after that internship, your internship is converted as a full-time opportunity. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the details. Our next job is business analyst for Ahmedabad, Gujarat location, and salary is 2.21 LPA to 10 LPA per year, and this is a full-time opportunity. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the details. Our next job is business analyst for again Ahmedabad, Gujarat location, and this is and salary is not mentioned here, and and this is also your full-time opportunity and all. And how to apply the job? You simply click apply on the company website and you fill all the details. Our next job is senior business analyst for Salesforce, and this is also for one hour location, and this is your responsibility and role. And how to apply this job? You click here apply on company website and you fill the details. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you, everyone, and please subscribe this channel and share this channel with your friends.